In the
Salamat.
previous moment, in the previous na mga years, of course, na nagadugang ang minimum wage diri sa Davao region. But the problem is, can the companies suffice the efficiency sa paghatag sa mga sweldo sa mga trabahante regardless of any sector, including the BPOs?
Okay. Uh,
On the record
can
niya siya.
can the government, can the establishment suffice for the issuance as well as compliance? We see to it that they have to, considering that it is a violation if you are not complying. And that's the reason then that we have this visitorial and enforcement right. If you are not compliant, you will be violating of our labor standards, minimum wage, social benefits, and any differential of wages. Kay part naman na siya kung differential, kung previous minimum wage ka niya, waka mo apply ka ron. So you are violating the minimum wage. So if you are not complying, you are violating. So if you ask then is suffice, it is mandated that DOLE has to monitor and to make you in compliance, because if you are not, you are in violation. Second, how it is done in a sectoral basis, all the sectors. If you ask for, wala kami problema sa medium and large because naa sila pag may increase ang minimum wage, sila po ilang i-calibrate. Na ang concern maayo sa micro kay pila ra may kitaan ang ginagmay nga mga tindahan niya among gipaagi mo tong gingon ako gani sa tuang interview and just recently natay technical advisory visits. We assist them, we ask them to be compliant. Kay kung dili makaya niya makuan, at least na ay mga gibutang nato nga kanang food allowance or boarding house para lang ma-comply niya ang minimum wage or labor standards.
How about sa atong mga katong on the spot na mga from the job fairs na nakakonduct, including sa previous na mga job fairs initiated by DOLE, what's the response sa atong mga nag-hire on the spot, ilabi na katong mga pending pa waiting na mag-start sa ilahang trabaho?
Previously,
Yeah.
super wapo ang ipidok, wala man po ni-comment nga na violation sa ilang labor standards or sa ilang OS. Kay kung may balaan man namo na kay magsulat man na or anonymous ang complaint, amo man na i-cater o 888. Pero kang yung gingon katong mga pending, we will make a follow up labi nagkulangan sa mga requirements. Among panguntanon nga naana ni siya i-compliant, what is the take and pleasure of the employer? Do you have to facilitate where in fact this employee has a pending application for them to be hired? So amo ang ginakuan. Pero actually kung kanimang kong employer good, kung tanaw nila sige pangitag mga empleyado, ilaha man ko ng prerogative kung siya pinakamayan, that we cannot dictate, but we can ask them to address and to provide more hard on the spot. We can have them ask, but we cannot mandate them to have the prerogative of who is that particular person who would join them in their labor workforce. Ilaha man gyud ang prerogative.